Welcome to the in front of me ODYS Thanos 10, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and then here in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. Okay, let's just here tap to enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard just click here once on the switcher, tap OK, again OK. Now just go back and here click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the English United States keyboard. And now all the process is finished, so let's just go somewhere where we can see the look of our new device keyboard. And now we can see that this keyboard is so close, okay, to the iPhone 1s, all of our emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.